Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Roblox without the app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, although I would recommend playing through the app, as it does optimize the app for your device, there is still a way to play through Internet Browser without downloading the app onto your device. Now, in this example, I'm on my Android, but the process does work the same as well if you're on iPhone device. What you're going to want to do first is open up a mobile browser. Then what you want to do is come across to roblox.com. Now in here, as you can see, it says continue in app, but if you look underneath, there's actually a link which says continue in browser. So if we actually click onto this, what it's going to do is take us to the login screen for Roblox, where we can go ahead and log into our account. And once we've gone ahead and logged in, as you can see, we're going to be taken to our Roblox dashboard. If you actually come up and if you press onto these three dots, then what you want to do is request desktop website for this to display correctly. And as you can see, access all the features as if you was using Roblox on a desktop PC. So we can access the marketplace, and of course we can go ahead and launch experiences, no problem at all. So that's basically how you can get Roblox without the app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.